It's not suicide if we YOLO. I'm glad I caught that on film. Alright, so this is Taylor Lawson, and I'm robo-tripping at the very moment with Dom and Seth. This will not be put on YouTube. This will not be put on Facebook, just to let you two know. This is for my own personal amusement, for when I'm fucked up and I start watching it and be like, oh my god, it makes sense now. You guys understand?
Yeah, totally understand.
Alright. Whoop. Oh, this looks so creepy. Oh my god. So, what's up? My name is Taylor Lawson.
Name's Seth.
Dominic.
And, we're gonna fucking kill you.
Yeah.
Cause I just
Eat your
snorted.
faces.
Oh my god, hold on.